In this brand new video, you will now discover how to define, raise, catch and handle exceptions in Python, with the help of a few examples. So be sure to stick around, and watch till the end, if you want to handle errors in your program, without even interrupting its execution flow. In Python, all exceptions can be handled using the try except statements. The critical operations which can raise an exception is placed inside the try clause. And the code that handles the exception is written in the except clause. You can thus choose what operations to perform once you have caught this exception. Now, let's have a closer look. Catch all exceptions. When an error occurs, Python would normally throw an exception, generate an error message and stop the program, if this exception is not handled properly. But, when this error occurs during its execution, and inside the try statement, the rest of the try block is skipped, as soon as this error is encountered, and the except block is executed. That's right, the very simple try and except block in Python is used to catch and handle all these exceptions. Python will execute the code following the try statement, until an exception is encountered. The code that follows the except statement determines how your program responds to any of these exceptions. Consequently, the except clause is used to catch and handle all the exceptions that are encountered in the try clause. What you did not get to see though, was the type of error that was thrown as a result of the exception. In order to see exactly what went wrong, you would need to catch the error that the code threw, with an alias, except exception as error. Awesome. But, what if you do not want to execute the same block of code, for every exceptions? Fortunately for you, Python provides the ability to catch a single and specific exception, or even multiple exceptions at once. Let's find out. Catch single exception. In the previous example, we did not mention any specific exception in the except clause. It is not a good programming practice, as it will catch all exceptions, regardless of your error, and handles every case in the same way. Nonetheless, you can specify which exceptions an except clause will catch: value error, type error, zero division error, import error, etc. In above example, the try block will generate an exception, because a number is divided by 0. Therefore, the except block zero division error will be executed only for this specific error. Any other errors will not be handled in this case, and may end up crashing your program. That's great, but you are wondering, how to handle multiple exceptions in Python then? Here is the solution. Catch multiple exceptions. A try clause can have any number of except clauses, to handle different exceptions. However, only one will be executed, in case an exception occurs. Consequently, you can define as many except blocks as you want, so that you can catch and handle specific exceptions, individually and differently. And, if you want to execute the same block of code, for multiple exceptions, specify all the exceptions inside a tuple. Please, also note that, Python does not just handle exceptions if they occur immediately in the try block, but also if they occur inside functions, that are called in the try block. That is so cool. Your program will never crash anymore, since you can catch and handle all exceptions raised during its execution. If you liked this video, please, do not forget to give a thumb up, and subscribe our channel. Digital Academy, learn free. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.